Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your insurance cards on Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're going to a CVS appointment and you want to go ahead and get your insurance cards from Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield. How do you actually go ahead and find your ID cards online? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that I did was that I actually Googled Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield and I clicked on the first link. Next, I logged in. And then once you're logged in, you want to click on ID cards. So with your ID cards, you should be able to actually go ahead and see your ID card right here. So you could actually go ahead and email it or download it. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your insurance cards from Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.